So why do so many people fail to make any real money online? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, make money online, or how to make money online, gets hundreds and hundreds of thousands of searches every single month from Google and YouTube. But the truth is, right, a lot of people don't make any real money online. Now, how is this possible if all these people doing all these searches and you got all of this content out there, right? You know this because you're on YouTube right now. All of the TikTok videos, all of the Facebook Reels, Instagram videos, and YouTube videos talking about how to make money online. Then how come more people aren't actually making money online? Well, in my opinion, there is one big reason, and hopefully you're not guilty of this. Now, most people who go to Google or YouTube and they type in how to make money online or how to start making money online, these people have the mindset of making money online is super easy to do. So what happens is they'll come across all of these different strategies, especially on YouTube. They'll see all these different videos, and the videos will say stuff like how to earn $1,000 in 24 hours, how to earn $10,000 in the next week, right? So they'll watch all of these videos with all of these views, and then they'll soon realize that the techniques in the videos are trash, right? Most of the videos with all of these crazy views, the strategies in them don't work, right? They may be legit, but the strategies are not going to make people real money, because most people that search how to make money online, right? These are most likely people who are looking to earn at least an extra $500, $1,000 a month. And in a lot of cases, people get on there because they want to earn $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 online, right? So of course they'll watch all these videos with all these views, and people talk about, taking surveys or be a micro gig worker for Amazon Turk and all that. None of those methods make real money. All of those videos, they teach you how to make pennies, right? Like straight up. Then at some point, people will actually realize the things that actually can make them that $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month. It takes real work, and not necessarily hard work, but it's going to take a lot of effort and consistency. And they're going to need that mindset to know that most make money online strategies that can make you a lot of money is not a 9 to 5. This is going to take a certain amount of confidence and belief that you actually can make this happen. If you really want to know the things that actually can make you an extra $500 a month to $20,000 a month, there are things like eBay, right? People are still making a ton of money selling on eBay, right? Drop shipping. I don't do drop shipping. I know for a fact to have a successful drop shipping business is going to take a lot of work. It's going to take you a lot of research, and it's going to take you a lot of dedication, but it is actually possible. Now, affiliate marketing and network marketing, those are legit ways that you can earn $5,000 and $10,000 a month. But once again, you have to have that mindset to realize, this is going to be a grind, but I'm in it for the long haul, and I'm going to make this work, because there are affiliate marketers and network marketers that make crazy money, right, online just doing affiliate marketing or network marketing. But it's not, and I don't want to say it's not easy, because the things you need to do are simple, but it's going to take hard work. It's going to take dedication to make that kind of money that most likely you're trying to make. Being a content creator, this is getting more and more popular, and there are a lot of people that are just full-time content creators, and they basically are people who just create content and they get paid via brand deals, sponsor deals, and once again, a lot of people are getting paid from affiliate and network marketing, right? So a content creator is a real profession that can make a lot of money. But I think a lot of people don't understand or want to accept that it takes a lot of work to be a content creator. You know what I'm saying? Because the name sounds so simple and cool, content creator. It's a lot of effort that goes into it. You gotta have consistency. You gotta be willing to research. You gotta be able to find time to actually do it. You gotta be able to experiment, right? But you better damn believe there are people out there making, $50,000 to $100,000 a month as a content creator. This shit's real. You know what I'm saying? You know it too. But the truth is, most people do not want to put in the effort that it will take to make that kind of money. Because the truth is, micro gigs and writing little articles on these other sites and paid surveys, that's piss. Like, that's not going to make you a lot of money at all. But what can make you a lot of money online is things like eBay, affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, being a content creator, a YouTuber. Like, those are the solid ways that you can make crazy money. No way around it. If you have any interest in any of those things that I just named, what you need to do is click off this video and start researching how to be successful in that. Now, if you want to check out one of the opportunities I make money with every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.